Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so we do have the full spoilers for the Ipsy bags, all three of them. Now, I'm going to try to get all three of these videos out around the same time. So if you're looking for another bag, just wait for the link. It'll be below soon. So this one's going to be for the Ipsy Standard March bag. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. Before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were spoilers for the BoxyCharm March base box. Congratulations, Destiny's Beautiful World. Destiny says, hey! Well, hey, Destiny, honey, how are you doing? It is good to see you. I'm so glad you had your bell on and that you made it first. I really appreciate the support on my channel, girl. I love you. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, you know when I do these full spoilers, anybody that's been watching my channel for a while already knows I don't name them off. I just pop them up here. First, I should have showed you the bag. I should have already showed you that. I'm probably showing you that now. Anyways, I love the bags. They're absolutely gorgeous. It's that blue with yellow and those rhinestones or whatever they are on it. Absolutely gorgeous. Now again, I don't name off the products because there's always too many to name, so I just sort of pop them up here for you to see. And a lot of people already know what they got, so if you do, comment below everything that you're getting in your March bag. You know, we're all nosy around here. We like seeing what everybody gets. We like seeing the different variations and everything. So guys, as soon as they start revealing April spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know, I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Gina Harris. Gina says, hey, thanks for showing us the spoilers. Well, you are more than welcome, Gina. I really love doing these spoilers for y'all. And I'm nosy myself, so I love seeing the spoilers for myself as well. And honey, I appreciate you coming and watching my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube is unsubscribing people like it ain't nobody's business. I don't know why. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need you to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. One more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye guys.